Come on, girl.
Come here, Lucy.
There you are. Mel and I both, we agreed, we wish we'd had her the whole time we were here, but she wasn't even made yet. I know how to keep people over here. I know how to make sure that somebody is always here. Yeah, I know how to keep people over here. I know how to make sure someone's always here. I'm gonna make sure that the Wi-Fi signal is real good right here. I'm gonna give them all the password. I'm gonna leave them chairs. Yeah, here's some places to sit. I'm gonna leave them one outlet here for the solar plugs. They can plug up their devices and charge them. And day and night, I'll have somebody here guarding the property while they're on their device. Yeah, families here anyway, it's kind of a joke, but they will be here taking advantage of having that internet. Absolutely. And they've all been excited, the kids and everyone, about Lucy. This family, without a doubt, will help raise her. I hope everything goes well. Bless her soul. Bless her soul. Well, the guys are up top pouring right now, and I'm gonna head around up there. Yep, head around up there. I'm not wearing this because of the current problem in the world, the malady. I am wearing this. I bought these years before anything happened with this world calamity. I wear these even in US to protect my skin, my neck. I've got these on a lot. I've been wearing them like probably since about I don't know, a year or two before all this madness happened. Yeah, and it's intense sun out here today, so that's what's up with that. Well, I thought y'all were pouring concrete. I can hear you up there beating a hammer.
You swim inside the mixer, bro?
He swam in the mixer?
Yeah. You see the...
It's all his face and everything. It's on top of his head. Yeah, that's funny. Well, they are mixing. We'll go up top and give that a look. I'll go around the back way so I don't get also covered in concrete. I'm about to have this bamboo ladder removed out of the yard here. It's only here for a limited time, like the McRib. Only here for a limited time. Yeah. I knew they were mixing because I could hear Joel when I was down there. Boom, 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 boom. Got that hammer going. You better watch it. You better watch it. You better watch it. Loving on mama. Loving on mama.
Hello. Hello, Lucy. Huh? Hello, Lucy. What's wrong?
It is a super high tide here today. You can see the gabion cages are almost underwater. This is why I'm putting the gabion cages. The beach used to be way out there where those boats were sitting up on that sandbar right now. Used to be out even further than that. I mean, that was not even all of it. It was even further than that. There used to be a back fence on the subdivision that was from those gabion cages out there about another maybe 30 foot out right there is the column still down, the base of the column still out there. And there used to be a back fence went across all the way across the other side of the subdivision, and then had a gate that went on out to the beach. And this was all a big area here for the subdivision in the past. Once Yolanda came through, and even though it hit all the way over by Tacloban and Leyte and all over there, it was such a massive storm. It stirred the water up so hard, and the outer bands were just so massive. Even all the way over here in western Visayas, in Iloilo, Panay Island, it all took damage as well, because that was one massive typhoon. And that's when this forever changed. That was when.
Actually, it's sometimes the more like this, it's refill its back. Just very slowly.
Yeah, it's what I'm hoping.
Pushing, yeah.
They got the walls all the way down that side and around that corner right there poured just now. And it's only lunchtime. Well, my 1.4 meter doors are here from Citi Hardware. That's pretty cool. Let me kick this bucket over out of the way. Now, come on, man, back it on up here. Shh, back it on up. Bring it on back here. You're okay. You're okay. Come on back. These are 1.6 meter doors, and he's bringing me 1.4 meter doors. And so you put a 1.6 and a 1.4 together, what do you get? 3 meters. And what size is my openings upstairs? 3 meters. I was gonna have that GB Majestic glass to make aluminum until I found these UPVC, which is what I wanted from the beginning. That's what I even told them from the day I ever met them. I wanted UPVC. Man, Citi Hardware came through with these. I didn't ask them to. They just started stocking these. Didn't even know they were ever available. And man, here we are. Whew. Super, super hot. All right, I'm trying to get everybody lined out again. Now that they got these walls poured all down this side here, all the way down, I can start robbing a few of the nuts and bolts, every other one out. Get all these erroneous stuff out of the floor here, and start putting up bamboo to start forming a roof deck. I'll be around a lot of this soon. I'll be around a lot of beef soon. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Yeah, northern Iloilo came way sooner than I thought they would. He saw Melinda's dad. That usually means he's fixing to get some attention. This should be the very last steel. It is so darn hot. getting this on off of here. Well, it's just after break time. The guys just ate escaldo. Look underneath there. Look at that. The dog day afternoon. I have had them on it. They finished that pour this morning. They got it done before noon. And I put them right on getting more formed. There's actually more ready to pour already. We'll wait till Monday for that, if the weather's right. But I told them to go ahead and start building the roof deck.
Yan, dasok ron.
Hindi, ang isa to.
Hindi, ang isa. Sa kadalawa.
Wala ron. Papagod na. Dalag.
Yep. For that. Yep. See that? Everybody's busy everywhere. Boy, I'm gonna miss my mom when I go back to Texas. Good guy to work with. Get out of your way, let you do your thing. And down below, we got people working too, going back and forth, stacking that stone in those gabion cages. Time to receipt it back. It is a very nice day here. Super nice. I like it. Get out of the noise of the saw real quick. We came back here to the Philippines during this time, these things that are happening in the world right now. We made that hard journey coming back, went through all those hoops and loops and quarantines and tests and all the things we did and endured while we've been here for the sake of building this home. And building this home is what we did. So even though we're not leaving yet, I'm just gonna say that this trip's been a success. But we're not far from leaving. We are not very, very far from it. But this trip has been a total success. Is it a finished out home? No, it's not. That we knew that. We knew it wasn't going to be finished. We wanted it built. There's a difference between getting your structure built and getting your finished work done. But I am happy. I'm happy.
Ben, Ben, ano ka, Ben? Ben. Ang gagmay?
It is a gigantic house because you've got all the verandas, you've got all of those big massive roof deck that is usable up here, the porches, the unique design to the house, just everything to it. It is huge. It really is huge. I mean, I kind of downplayed it a little bit there at one point, but it really is a big old house. I'm going to close this video up for the day because I just want to go down and spend some time with the wife, all the kids, the dogs, the puppy, little Lucy. I want to hang out with the guys, not be holding the camera, and enjoy my time here with them too. You know, when you work with someone every single day, 6 days a week, and sometimes you even see them on the 7th day of the week, and you're together all day long, you know, you build a camaraderie that you know, you really bond with these people, you know, and they're my family on top of that. So I'm already bonded with them. Some of them that are family of family, and like Tuling, I've really bonded with Tuling and June, you know, and they're family of family. And I just want to enjoy them, and I'll miss them when I leave. I'll miss them. I ain't gonna lie, I'll miss them. They have been a pleasure to build this place with. All of them have been a pleasure to build this place with. But I got my pet. Who that in my eyes has been the rock star of my build, and actually kind of a couple of them. It's a little bit of a tie, but I'll let y'all guess who that is. You all guess, and I'll let you know eventually if you were right or you were wrong. So write in the comments below who you think that my favorite co-worker, Masoon builder here was, working with me in this build. And it's a close tie with 2 people, so you got a good chance at getting it right, because either one, it's just so close in my mind, either one. But write in the comments and I'll let you know when you are right or wrong.